Is your microphone not working on Windows 11 PC? In this video, you will see how to fix Windows 11 microphone not working. Check if the microphone is not disabled. Most keyboards have a dedicated microphone mute button. If the mute button is pressed by mistake, the microphone won't work. So check on your keyboard. The mute button will have a microphone icon. If it is a dedicated button, you can press it directly. If the button has two rolls, you need to press it with the FN key. Check if the correct microphone device is selected. Your PC could have multiple microphones connected to it. You need to make sure the correct microphone is selected. To select the correct microphone, right-click on the microphone icon and select Sound Settings. Scroll up to the Input area. Here you will see all available microphones. Select the correct one. Then make sure the volume is not muted, and drag the slider to increase the volume. Run Audio Troubleshooter. The Audio Troubleshooter checks for problems and suggests fixes. Open Settings. Under the System tab, click on Troubleshoot. Now click on Other Troubleshooters. Scroll down and find Recording Audio. Click on Run against it. Now select the microphone device you are facing the issue with. Click Next and follow the instructions. Update Windows 11. A faulty update could also cause microphone issues. If you have recently installed an update and your microphone stops working, you need to uninstall that update. To uninstall the update, open Settings. Then go to Windows Update. Click on Update History. Then go to Uninstall Update. Now click on Uninstall button against the recently installed update. Then follow the instructions to uninstall the update. If you haven't installed the latest update in a while, you should do that and check your microphone. Check the microphone privacy settings. Windows 11 has privacy settings for microphones. If it is disabled from there, you won't be able to use the microphone. Open Settings. Go to Privacy and Security. Scroll down, under the App Permissions, click on Microphone. Here, make sure the microphone access is enabled. Then, enable the Let Apps Access your microphone. Now make sure that the app you are trying to access the microphone is not disabled here. Then scroll down and enable the Let Desktop Apps Access your microphone. Update the microphone drivers. An outdated microphone driver could also cause issues. You need to make sure your device has the latest microphone drivers. To update the driver, click on Start and search for Device Manager. Open it. Now expand Audio Inputs and Outputs. Right-click on Microphone. Select Update Driver and select Search Automatically for drivers. You can also download the driver from the manufacturer's website and install it manually. If you have connected any external microphone and it is mentioned here, update its driver also. Restart Windows Audio Service. Windows Audio Service is responsible for the sound input and output. If the audio service encounters any conflict and stops working, you won't be able to use the microphone. Restarting the audio service could help. To do that, press the Windows plus R button. Now type services.msc and hit Enter. You will see all the services. Now locate the Windows Audio Service. You can scroll down to the W series or just press W on the keyboard to quickly reach it. Now double-click on Windows Audio to open it. If it is running, click on Stop. Make sure the startup type is Automatic. Then click on Start. Click OK. Now open Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. Restart it and make sure the startup type is Automatic. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop them below and share this useful video with your friends. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to press the bell button to receive alerts for videos on Windows tips and tricks.